I'm Charlotte and I'm a support worker at Canova Mall. We support the guys with learning disabilities. Today we have had Wendy come in doing a number of sensory art sessions with the service users and ourselves.
I'm Wendy Cooling and I'm a mixed media artist and workshop facilitator. So I've visited the centre today and we've been making the Great Wave out of paint, and we've been sponging and we've been adding different colours.
It's really great. The guys love a Friday. It really brings us together. It gets everyone involved.
By me coming here, they're seeing someone new for a start, but they're also learning new skills and new ways of doing stuff and having time to explore materials that they might not have. And they go home with artwork that they're proud of as well, which is lovely, and they've got it up on the walls around the room.
It just means so much to be able to have these things come in and someone else to bring ideas to the centre for us to maybe continue and bringing in the resources, because we don't always have all the resources to do it.
I myself feel so comfortable when I come here. Straight away we were having fun and being cheeky and throwing paint at each other, and kind of naturally the atmosphere is wonderful when you come. It's really lovely.